Hi, I'm Andy from Heritage Parts Centre, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the upper guide rail trim for the left hand side sliding door in the T4. So you've just converted your T4 from being a workhorse to a camper van sitting on the step enjoying the view, and you look up and all you can see is this unsightly rail. Well, this is the ideal solution. The trim is made from ABS plastic, so it's super strong, and it's designed with the original grey colour. To fit is easy. First thing you need to do is to clean the metalwork with the ethanol wipes supplied, ensuring that it's dry. Then peel off the Velcro tape off the back and push and hold into place for about 20 seconds. Put a drill bit through the small holes marking where it needs to be, then remove the trim again. Then drill the holes, replace the trim, and then by using the screws and plastic caps, reattach it in place. This trim is only suitable for the interior of the transporter and not the caravel. For further information on the upper guide rail trim for the left hand side sliding door on the T4 transporter, please see our website.